The Casper is one of the most well-known and marketable bed-in-a-box company. The Casper mattress has 4 foam layers. Between the open cell top layer, supple memory foam, transition foam, and zoned foundation layer. The Casper mattress optimizes both comfort and support, while the Casper mattress ensuring healthy spinal alignment. The open cell top layer is inherently more breathable than memory foam and doesn't conform to your body. Features of the Casper mattress: Certi-Per certified foam, no ozone depleting chemicals, hand sewn, zip off cover. For more information, click the link in the description.